Hello, everybody. I am Simona Marincei, the head of the Intelligent Processes and part of SME Product Management team, and I would like to invite you to a customer voice session on the new Intelligent Invoice Scanning feature for SAP Business by Design. In order to listen to our customer voice, please allow me to introduce to you Alan White, the Vice President Information Technology of SEF Energy, which is one of the most representative SME customer for by design in terms of size and usage. Alan is a technology strategist and innovation leader with over 20 years experience in IT, who has worked in startups and SME companies, but also in multinational corporation, which gave him a very good experience on the new and innovative way of using technology to help his business thriving. Welcome, Alan, to our SAP Partner Summit breakout session. Please tell us how SEF Energy started to use the intelligent invoice scanning powered by AI business services.
Thanks, Simona, for the invitation. Happy to be here and more than happy to share our first steps with the intelligent business document processing journey. For us, like everybody else in the world, 2020 and the COVID pandemic was an experience unlike any other we'd been through before. Having to rapidly adapt, rapidly change, really fundamentally how companies work and operate. For us, it really forced us to take a long, hard look at our business processes and really try to squeeze as much efficiencies out of those as possible. And so one of the things that we started looking at was really around our invoice process itself, how we did it, the manual aspect of it that took place, and really started to think in terms of, is there an automated way that we could do this? Is there a way that we can use some intelligence within SAP Business ByDesign to really help us gain some significant efficiencies? And so that's the path that we started to go down, and it's been a very successful one.
Oh, that is really impressive story, Alan. Will you be able to quantify that in real added value numbers?
Yeah, sure. So we are a very data-driven and returns-oriented company, and so everything we do is with a lot of data analysis behind it. So typically in 1 year, we process somewhere between 13,000 to 15,000 manual invoices, roughly a speed of about 10 to 15 invoices per hour from our AP department. That means really from an FTE standpoint, it's about half the one FTE dedicated only for manual invoice processing. So using the new feature, we only need to validate and eventually correct the scan document before submission, which is really reducing the manual processing time to 10 to 20% of what we needed before. We're also fortunate we're in a good situation of processing our invoices in English, which has a really high scanning accuracy rate. In our case, it's a little north of 96%. So what that means is we only have to correct 4 out of roughly every 100 scan fields. So if we take these numbers and apply them to the fully loaded cost of an employee per year, we end up with an annual savings somewhere in the region of $27,000 and that's really a conservative use case. In an optimistic scenario, it's probably closer to $70,000. So if you add that up over the course of a 5-year rolling return, that equates to somewhere between 137 to 345,000 US dollars. So for us, the data really told the story and spoke to the value and benefit to us directly as an organization.
Oh, thanks a lot, Alan, for this insightful business benefit calculation. And please stay with us to take a look also into the overall adoption number of the intelligent invoice scanning in Business by Design application, because also a lot of other customers have the same feelings like you. And actually, proving this outstanding business benefit, is the customer interest and adoption for the intelligent invoice scanning service in the first 7 months since we launched Productive in by Design. Because up to now we have 260 unique customers from 20 countries and 6 languages, out of which 106 already productive and 160 total documents scanned with a progressive growth month reaching already 34,000 documents scanned in the last month of Q1 2021. At the end of the session, I want to thank you for the attention and I hope you enjoy our interview with Alan White, the Vice President Information Technology at SEF Energy, who was very kind to share his adoption journey on our new intelligent invoice scanning feature in SAP Business by Design. I am Simona Marincei and I was happy to be your host for this session. Thank you.